Hello guys, welcome to Max Blueprint. Um, this is a channel where we teach about money making, we teach about how to grow on social media, we teach about how to monetize your social media handles, and we teach about current and updated what method to making money. Alright, so if today is your first time coming across our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, this time around, we are going to start, as we said earlier on, we are going to start our new full course for graphic designers. If you're a newbie, you don't know how to design using your phone or using your laptop, and you have seen this particular video, then this is the right video in front of you. All right. So without wasting my time, let me just quickly show you what you are gonna need. So this video is going to be in such a way that we are gonna allocate some time purposely for you to also perform some task over there. So this video is made for some specific group of people. Yes. So what we are going to do is that so far as you see the video, you are part of those specific people. All right, so let's get started. So this is what you need to download. So head on straight forward to your Google Play Store or your App Store, get a Pixel app. So make sure you are downloading this particular Pixel app. And if you still cannot see it, then we are going to leave the link to Pixel app in the description. Just hit on it, click on it, and then it will send you to the particular application for you to download. All right. The next tool we are going to use is the Pinterest. All right, we are going to use the Pinterest, and then the last one is the clipping magic. Now there are a lot of tools out there where graphic designers use to design their flyers, their banners, and other stuffs. But as at our level now, we are going to focus on these three tools, and get it in mind, these three tools work massively. Yes, they work massively. So if today is your first time, once again, just subscribe to our channel and then share our channel to your family members. Okay, yes, share our channel to the family members and then your friends. Make sure they learn together with you. A lot of people are spending huge sums of amount just because they want to get what they want, to get someone to do their work for them. Save them today by sending them the link, and don't forget to write something in the comment section. Let us know how the video helped you, and then how you were able to cope with the practicals, because there are going to be a lot of practicalities, a lot of practical videos that we are going to allow some time for you to also perform within that time. Come back to the video, continue with the video, perform another task. So this is how we are going to do it. So in this video, this is how we are going to make it. And then when we give some allocated time, you can pause your video, go back, or you can even leave the video, perform your task, then you come back. Okay, without wasting my time, let's quickly open our Pixel app. So go to your Play Store, download your Pixel app, your Pinterest, and then a clipping at, and get back to us. So this is the interface of Pixel app. We have the arrow, the bezier, the shape, the draw, import, and stickers. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are where we are going to get a lot of tools. So it's like all the tools are embedded in this particular things, these things over here. So you could realize that. And we also have the zoom here. Yes, we have the zoom here. We also have this side. We have this box over here. We have this sign over here. We have the share here. We have this plus, and you can know it is Pixel Lab, right? Great. So this is what we are going to do. Download your Pixel Lab application and then get back to us. All right. All right, guys. All right. Welcome back. So I believe by now you have been able to download your Pixel application and then also your Pinterest app and then your clipping app. Okay. So let's get started. So sorry, if you open the Pixel app, this is the interface that you see. Okay. This is the interface that you see. So let me just check on of the the projects on this particular account. So let me check some. Okay, so you can see these are some of the projects on this particular account. Let me just go there. Okay, you can see this is a project that we did for someone. Okay, great. Let me also go and check this project. So you can see this for the same person. So we did for this same person. Okay, you can see the project is very nice. Great. Then let's check another one. Let's check this one too. Great. So you can see this another project. This is another project here. You can see it's very nice. Great. Let's check. Okay. So right now we want to start with a new project. Okay, we want to start from scratch. Great. So let me just click on the default. Then I want to remove this thing over here. So I just click on this delete sign over there. Okay, sorry. Okay, so okay, so let me click on the delete. Let me just click on this delete over here, then it will go with it. Okay, so build I want to build a bundle. Okay, a bundle flyer. So today we are doing it for a data bundle flyer. Okay, so I want the background to be uh I want to change the background from this particular color to other colors. So let's just go here. Let's click on this particular sign over here. So this sign over here, let's click on it. Okay, all right, let's click on this sign over here. Then you can see we have okay, let's click on this sign. You can see we have color over here, right? Great. So let's click on the color. Good. It automatically selects gradient. It will automatically select what gradient, and we have the color also here. So at this point, and you can see this tray contains the colors. So at this point, this is what we are going to do. So let me quickly click on the color here. Then you can see that it has changed. Then I can just swipe left or right to choose the particular color that I want. So let me start with white. This black. So I just want to start with something very cool. Let me check this one out. No. Let me see this one. No. I think this is very cool, but let me check this one too. Okay, so you let me come and pick this. I think this is cool. But I'm coming. Let me see. Okay, I think this is cool. Now let's add some gradient to it. Yes, let's add some gradient to. So what you have to do is that after clicking on the color, let's just click on this correct sign over here. Okay, so you can see that now the correct sign we have clicked on it, so meaning we have selected this color to be our background, right? Good. We can also add other backgrounds. So let's do something here. Let's click on this. Let's click on shape. Then let's click on this sign over here. Then we click on zero, this circle here. Okay, let's see something here. Let's bring it like this. Okay, so let's just the stroke weight. Let's make the stroke weight very big this way. Let's make opacity like this, like this. Okay, let's make it full opacity. Let's do something like this. Okay, now let's see what I'm coming to do. Now let's bring it closely like this. It's very close, right? Good. Okay, now let's come to this opacity. Okay, let me, okay, so we have this blur ratio here, so let me just make it this way. Okay, let me click on it. So this is what we have created. So this is what we have created. So we can just click on it, then duplicate it. Yes, you don't need to go and do all those things again. Just click on the duplicate and it will duplicate. Sorry, I'm coming. Okay, let me click here and go here. Okay, okay, we have copy here. Just click on copy. You see that a different one will form. Copy, a different one will form. Copy. Have you seen it? Copy, copy. So for the sake of the practicals, let me just leave you to do up to this side. Yes. Okay, copy. So let me do last one on how I did it. Okay, so I click on, let me just move this one here. I click on shape. Okay, so I click here. Okay, I click here, then I can see shape here, then I click on shape, then I click here, I go to the circle here, then I move it slightly somewhere here, right? Okay, I leave this first opacity on it. I come to the stroke weight, full stroke weight. The opacity here is already 100%. Okay, this is the last thing we are gonna do. So let me just move here. Then let me, okay, then let me bring it closer like this. Are you seeing it? Okay, very close like this. Then let's see something here. Are we seeing it doesn't make sense? Great. It's because of the, this is for the white. This opacity here is controlling the white inside. So this one is the stroke weight. Okay, it's already 100%, the opacity. So you see, if I make it this way, the white will be showing and the black will not be there. So now let's go to the last part and go and then do, that's the blur radius. So meaning you are blurring the black part as well. Have you seen it? Great. So I've blurred it. Now let me click on this and then, so you can see this is another one that I've created. The reason here is that we left the white background. So let's just go and remove the white over there. So you can see when I click here and click on shape. Okay, let me just clean it. So let me just click on that particular thing again. Let me click on it. So you can see edit here. Click on edit. Now when you click on edit, you know this is controlling the white part. So let me just clear everything off. So you can see it has turned to black. Let me bring it back. You can see it has turned to white. Great. So let me clear everything. Then I click on this. This is used to confirm. I click on it. Then this is it. So if I want to delete all this, and come and use this, you can see this one is deeper than this, okay? But I just like how this looks like, okay? And then this too is very nice. So let's just delete these ones. So you click on it, then you click on the hit on the delete. Right? So if I want to multiply this, I don't need to go through the stress to go and do it again. The only thing I need to do is to click on it, then I hit on the copy sign, on the copy over here, copy, and I bring it somewhere, copy, 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 copy. You get it? So it's very simple like that. It's very simple. So depending on what you are doing, okay, sorry, depending on what you are doing, okay, so it's not always that you need to be doing something like this. It depends on the particular design that you want to create. So if your design doesn't call for this, you don't do, okay. Yeah, so at this moment I just did it to show you, so we don't need it, okay. So we are going to delete all. Okay, now we know that we have three particular data bundle sellers. That's the networks. We have MTN, we have Telecel, and we have what? Airtel Tigo. So we are going to create a box or a shape for each of them. So let me just click on the shape here. Then at this point, I am going to customize the shape. So let me make it this way. All right, so I want it to be something like this for MTN. Okay, listen. So let's customize it. So see something here. You can see the radius. So if I the more I'm moving it, it is becoming small, right? So I want it to be something like this. I think this is okay. Let me go again. Great. This is very nice. Let me make it small, a little bit small. Then let's go back. Okay. So then we have this opacity. You can see inside is very white. So do we need it to be white? That's the question. If we don't need it to be white, then we can just clear off, then it will be like this, but this isn't what we need. So let's make it white. We can change it anytime we want, because we have the color here, we have the gradient. So let's make it, let's set the stroke weight, that's the surrounding, the circumference, okay. So have you seen it? Great. Now let's make the circumference or the stroke weight in an opacity way. Let's make it a little bit diluted or a little bit faded, okay. So you can see it here, as we are moving it is fading, okay. So the blur radius, let's just blur the radius. Great. So have you seen it here? Let's make it something like this. I think this is cool. So now this is what we got. So if we want to get the same thing, just click on it, hit copy. Okay, so from this we can see that it is a little bit uh big. It's very big. Okay, we need it to be small, a little bit small. So let's just send this one here, bring this one to here. Let's make this a little bit small. Let's delete this because I want to have the same shape. I don't want one to be bigger than the other. So copy. Oh, sorry, copy again. So let me shift it. Good. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So guys, I want to pause here for you to do up to this particular part. Make sure you forget the first part where we did the dots, okay? Where we did the dot here. Because I told you that that one was just to show you. But let me tell you one thing. You can see that this is a little bit up. So let's bring it down small. Great. And then you can also see that when the next time we touch it, it will move again. So what do you have to do? Just lock it. And this is how we are going to lock it. Click on this thing here. Then you can see the lock sign. So lock all. Okay, after locking it, come and click on that sign again. So now let's see. I'm trying to move it. So you can see it doesn't move. Yes, because I have locked it. That is why it doesn't move. So take your time, do up to this side. I think I'll give you like 10 minutes or 15 for you to finish up this, then we continue. All right, guys. All right. So, welcome back again. So, I think by now all of you have reached this particular part. So, let's quickly continue and then um perform or do what we are about to do. Okay. So, because this is for MTN, this is for Telecel, and this is for Airtel to go, we need to make a difference. All cannot remain white like this. Okay, we need to make this a different color, and a different color. So let me just change the whole. Let me make this one a different color, this to a different, and then okay. So let me click here because we cannot move it anymore. You cannot edit it. So just click here. Then you come and select. I think there is it. So we click on it. Then we click on this again. So you can see now it can be edited, right? So let me click on edit. This is the edits here. Then let me go back. So you can see color here, color. So let me just, it has already selected color. If you click on the gradient, it will select the gradient. So the color, let's make the color great. I think this is okay. Or let me check this one too. Is this the correct MTN? Okay. No. Mm, let me see. A minute. No. So let's use this. Great. Let's use this for the MTN. Okay. Let me click on it. Then okay. Okay. So this is for the MTN, right? So let me lock it again. Open this again. That's the second one. So let's make the second one. Let's make it telecell. Let's make it red. Great. Okay. Then let's make so let's lock it. So make sure you lock it anytime you finish editing it. Okay. Let's make this one also blue. So I click on it. Then I click on the edit. Then I search for it. Great. I think this is the blue. Okay. So great. So this is what we have now. Okay. So let me go and lock it. Otherwise, if I press on it, it will change again. So I've just locked it. Okay. Now let's move straight forward to bring a character or a picture over here. Let's bring a picture here, which will make it very nice more. Okay. So I'm going to my gallery to pick a picture. So here is when the Pinterest come in. Okay. So you go to Pinterest, then you search for data bundle pins, data bundle pins, or you just search for data bundle. Okay, data bundle. Then you click on it, it will bring the pins, it will bring the pictures. Then you download the pictures from Pinterest and move to the clip art. Okay, you go to the clip art or you go to the clip background, then you click on it, you upload the image, then it is going to remove the background from the image. So I'm coming, let me just, so for us to add an image or add anything or export anything from our gallery, we need to use this import sign. This is the import sign over here. Then if you want to draw, there's the drawing. If you want to add sticker, there's it. So let me just click on the import. All right, guys. So you can see it here. Okay. So these are some of the pictures. These are some of the pictures that I've downloaded, but I haven't added. I've not cropped the background, or I've not removed the background. Okay, so you can see this picture. It has a background, a yellow background, and this one it doesn't have any background because I have removed the yellow background from there. So let's see this picture too. Okay, this one I've already removed all the ones here. I've removed the backgrounds. Okay, and these are the correct pictures. This one I've removed it to this I've removed it to this to this to this, and this one to this. You can see. So let me just use this lady here. So I click on it like this. Then I need to crop it. Okay, let me crop it so that it will be a little bit small and neat. I don't want it to be too. And sometimes you maybe you don't want to display all the picture. Okay, so this is a very nice lady. So let me just click on this correct sign. Then boom, it is here. So what do I need to do here? Just move to this side here and put the lady there. So here you just need to search for a very nice place where you can put the lady there. Okay, so let me see. I think this one makes sense. Okay, yes, I think it makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. So the lady is just pointing to the packages. Okay, yes, the lady is pointing to the packages. Okay, so let's lock the lady also. So you click here and you click on it. Then we have, so now the lady cannot move because we have locked it. Okay, so now let's head on straight forward to type in something. So let me just type in MTN, Telecel, and then Airtel to go. So for you to type, we have this A alphabet over here. Click on it. You can see quotes, you can see text. So now let's click on the text. Good. So when you click on text, you can see new text has been opened here, right? But if you click on it, it will not do anything. So just come here and click on the edit. Good. So now whatever sheet you want to type in, just type it here and it will appear. So let's type in MTN data. Then we click on OK. Sorry. We click on, we click on OK. Then we bring it here. But you can see that it is bigger than the sheep. It's bigger than the sheep. So let me just come back to this edit. Sorry. Let me click on it again. Then you can see the edit. Right? Okay, so let me click on it. Now we have delete, we have copy, we have to front, and we have to back. Right? So if I should click on the to back, it will, this text will go at the back of the yellow box. So you will not see it again. How you seeing it? It's going at the back of it. So let me just click on to front. And then I click on the side. So we have plus here, we have negative here. So let me just click on the minus as it will be reducing. You get it? You get a point? Good. I think this is okay. But I say it's like it has shifted to one part than the other. Right? So let me click on it again. You can see position. I click on a position, then I shift it a little bit. Shift. Oh, sorry. I click on the position, then you can see this arrow signs here. So I want to move it to this side, the right side. So I click on this. So you can see it is just at the middle, right? And this is good. So let me just click on it again. I want to change the style. I want to make it bold. So click on the style. You can see bold here. Click on it. I just want to underline it again. I want to underline it. So I click on underline. Then I click on save. So you can see it here very neatly, bold and what underlined. So let me click on it. Click on copy. So you're going to get the same thing, put it here. Copy. The same thing, put it here. Right? Good. Good. So let me shift this one to a little bit. Okay, I'm coming. I'll shift this. So you can see, okay, I think this one is a little bit down. Let me shift it to the top small. And then bring it to the left side small. Great. So this is very nice. So you can see. So at this point, what are we going to do? Airtel to go and Airtel to go data and MTN data. So let's just change it. Let's click on edit. Then let's remove this data here. Let's bring Airtel. Airtel Tigo. You click on OK. Okay, let's make it a little bit small. So click on size. Good. Let's make this one also telecell. So let me click on here. But you can see that the rating is all black. So I want to make it white. Okay. Great. So this is what we have. So we have the, so I think I should make this one to MTN so that it will be a little bit nice instead of MTN data. Okay. Yeah, let me shift it to the top. So that all will be very nice. It shouldn't be like this one is MTN data and the other one is MTN or something like that. Okay. So now let me lock all. Let me lock it. Come back again. So now it cannot move again. So at this point, we are supposed to type in our gigabytes and the amount. So let me just click on the A, which is, you select the A at the down here, click on test, then you click on edit. So I'm just using my mind. Okay, 1 gig equals to, okay, I already have the write up, so let me just go and copy it and come back and come and paste it because I cannot do it one after the other. Okay guys, so I've copied it and I'm coming to paste it here. So this is my MTN. Ish. So let me just delete this. So I'm coming, let me delete some of them. Okay, let's make it like 1 to just 8. This one. So let me arrange it well. So you can add yours. Okay, you can add more. You can add more when you're depending. You let your client send it to you. Okay, yeah, you make your client send it to you so that it will not be like you're going to stress yourself because she's the client. She has her own, she will be doing the pricing and everything, then she send it to, then you copy and paste it. So let me just click on OK. So now I need to drag this to this side, but I can see it's very big. So let's come back to the size here, then we reduce the size. Okay, I think this size is okay. So let me just go in and do it all. So I click on OK. This position, this relative position, always make sure you're using position. This one also has its own way. Okay, click on position. So let's shift it. Let's move to the down. Let's shift it again. I think this is okay. So let me just, great. This looks very amazing, right? And it has also been in position with the lady's hand and everything is cool with that. So, but the write-ups are not very nice. So let's make it bold. Click on it. You click on color. Let's assume I want to make the color white. Is it going to be nice? Okay. Let's go and make it bold and see. Click on bold. Okay, let's see. Good. I think this is nice. I think it's nice. Yes, I think it's very nice. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. Good. So let me allow you to do it up to this side. Then we continue. But let me just first lock it. All right, guys. All right. So let's just continue. So if today is your first time coming across our channel, Charlie, don't forget to like our channel. Okay. Yes. Don't forget to like our channel, and then make sure you subscribe also. Okay. So um, this particular side, I don't want to stress myself. I'm going to just copy it, duplicate it. Okay. So you can see it here. So first of all, let me unlock it. I click on it, then I click on copy. Sorry, click on it. This is a copy. It will duplicate, then you bring it here. So you can see that it will fit in the this thing because it's already we use the same. All right, so I'm coming. Let me move a little bit slightly. Yeah. Okay, then let's copy again. Bring it here again. But we are going to do customization. Okay, we will customize it. So let me just check if I like it. I want it to come a little bit down, or it's okay for me. So with this one, let me just move this upward. So click on position up. Good. Click on this position up. Good. So you can see that we are done, but is it okay? So just watch it, and this is okay. So let's customize the prices over here. So let me first of all lock the last one in this, yes, so that it will remain the middle one. So click on it, click on edit. Let's make the this thing. So let's make this 6 Ghana cedis, right? Let's make this 13. Let's make this 18. Let's make this 25. Let's make this 30. Let's make this 34. Let's make this 40. Great. Click on it. So you can see it here. I just want it to be a little bit different. That's why I change it this way. Okay. Then let's go and check this one too. So let me lock it. And I open this. Then I click on edit. Let me make it like 7, like 14, like 18, like 25, 8, 31. Let's make this one like 45. Okay. And then click on it. Then you can see that I have customized it. I'm done customizing it. So that's why I said that make sure your clients send you their own prices so that easy to customize, right? So after that, just click here. So now we need to give this a particular thing, maybe cheap data bundle or something like that. So let me just click on the text, click on edit. So max blueprint, max blueprint data, blueprint the okay, max blueprint face. I just want to, I don't want it to be too big, so max blueprint. Okay, let me add it. Max blueprint data bundle. So bring it somewhere here. Then let's customize it. So the size, let's make the size a little bit bigger. Good, 40. Let's select the shape. The color, let's make it white. Correct. Let's go to the style. Let's make it bold. Okay, then let's underline it. Good. Then let's continue to the shadow part. You can see shadow here. We have shadow, we have inner shadow. So let's click on shadow. Good. So let's see what we just did. Have you seen what we just did? Yes, I think I don't want to make the video too long, as I promise you that we are going to make it a 1 hour video. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, and then don't forget to share it to your friend and your statuses, and let us know in the comment section if this video helped you. So we are going to end there, and then the reason why I'm telling you to hit the notification bell is that when we do the second video, you are going to get notified so that you can easily follow for our next um project. Okay, once again, thank you very much for watching our video and then following up to this time.